your toes up a ladder or whatever. Start with clove hitch. Make sure it's big enough when you do it to go around the hip and the nozzle. It says a foot to 18 inches back. We do our clove hitch and tighten it around the hose. Another foot behind that, we can do our safety knot. Safety knot. Then we pull the running end through the bail, do a bend, and back. This prevents the handle from opening, shooting water all over the place when it's not required. And this will keep the bail and the nozzle secure while the hose is being pulled. Pulling an uncharged hose up a ladder requires it to be roped off. So we have to pull back, I think it says about 1 meter, the nozzle back on the line itself. Then we make sure we don't have too much rope. We do a clove hitch. Run the clove hitch down to the end near the handle. Pull that tight with the short piece, the running with the working end. You'll wrap that around the nozzle and tie a safety knot. This side here, we continue with a couple half hitches, and we can pull it up. Requires us to tie a knot. The knot's a figure 8, and I've got a safety knot at the end of it. Put it through the handle of the X, go around the head of the X, half hitch, halfway up the handle, and another half hitch. X is ready.
This spike pole up for hoisting. So the first thing I want to do is at the butt end, not the pointy end. I want to start with a clove hitch. And however you do clove hitches is great, as long as it ends up a clove hitch. Okay, clove hitch, and then bring it around and put a safety knot in there. And snug it up nice and secure. Okay. So then we're going to take from the running end, so that's our working end where the knot goes from our running end. We're going to put a half hitch about halfway down the pike pole. So we'll just get this all snugged up. Okay, so a half hitch there, and then another half hitch over the pointy part, and snug it up as well. And then this is the running end, and it is ready to be pulled up to the roof.
This is not a roof ladder, but it's an extension ladder, and we're going to show you how to provide a firefighter up an extension ladder already that wants a roof ladder. Okay, so we have a figure 8 on a bite, a safety knot. You pull it back through your full run, come across the top. And run her down. The running end is now ready.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to tie up a piece of equipment. Could be a saw, could be a fan, anything that has a handle that needs to be hoisted. We're going to use 2 pieces of rope for this. So we'll start with the actual hoisting rope. So start with a figure 8 in there because I'm going to do a figure 8 follow through. So the figure 8, keep it nice and loose, put the working end through the handle, and then just literally, like it says, follow that knot through, and through, and through, till it comes back out the other end, and now it looks like a figure 8 in a bite. Just dress it nicely, make it nice and tight, and then we're going to put our safety knot in this as well and snug it up to the other knot so it's ready to go. So this is now ready to hoist. It's a figure 8 follow through with a safety knot, ready to hoist, but to maintain control from the bottom, we're going to put a tag line on the bottom, and we'll do this one with the bowline. So give yourself enough room to do a safety knot on your bowline after. Throw your bowline on there. Okay, dress it, make it nice and tight. And then just a reminder, your safety knot is going to go on the working end of the knot, which is up in this loop here, not down on this running end. So the working end is where we do our safety knot. And now this is ready to serve as a tag line to control the piece of equipment as it goes up, and this is ready to haul.